to set up the streaming later because they're talking about downloading OBS Studio and doing all that extra stuff. So yeah, I think we can be into the buy now. You know, so I'm gonna hop in the buy, probably just 2 contracts of MES with stop loss obviously below this new founded low, and let's see what happens. This is MES, yeah, because last time I accidentally entered an ES contract.
Order filled.
Take profit. We're not trying to be too greedy on our first trade, so still gonna have to sit. See what happens. I don't drive R8s. I don't like them. No, my eyes like itching. Alright. Yes, sir. Bro, I've actually been selling. Look, I need to need to focus. Stop loss or nothing. Well, obviously stop loss or take profit. That's all I'm gonna say. Stop loss or take profit. Stop loss or take profit. I did want to close my account, but closing my account isn't gonna help me achieve what I want to achieve, if you get what I'm saying. So I will not be closing my account. Instead, what I will do is keep my account open and let the trade hit my stop loss while I'm able to watch everything happen. Helps me get immune to it. You feel me? Hey, if we get completely dogged on the first trade, I don't mind. We get dogged on. That's it. That's life, man. That way. Excuse me. something with myself is I'm always buying, like, even if when the trade position is right, I'm always buying like at the tippity top, if you get what I'm saying. And I don't think that's a good habit, so I'm gonna try and cut down on that and being a little bit more patient. Because when I buy at the tippity top, obviously, I lose a couple pips, and those couple pips could be a make or break it situation where I could make a trade or I could make it. Well, to be honest, I'm not liking how this is looking, chat. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go to sleep. This time for reals. And I'll see y'all when I wake up. Next, I don't.
Yo, what is up, chat? Today we back again with another well, the same video, just a continuation. Now, anyways, this was the beautiful one I took today. First, I tried to go for the long OTC didn't work. If the long doesn't work and I get stopped out while trying to go long, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna realize, like, I've started to notice something. Well, I really started to notice, like, 6, 7, 8 months is trading. It's like an innate feeling that's in me. You get what I'm saying? It's this innate feeling, and really, the only thing I feel like that's been stopping me, and right now I'm in that like consolidation phase where I'm not profitable, that where like I'm not profitable, but I'm not losing. You get what I'm saying? I'm right in the middle, but there's that innate feeling or instinct. I don't know what that instinct is, but the more I get used to trusting that instinct, the better my trades become, if you get what I'm saying. So basically, so basically, with this innate instinct, I don't know what that instinct is, but like now when I look at the markets, it's I don't even like I barely even see these indicators anymore. Now when I look at the market and a certain something is forming, there's just something in me that's screaming sell or buy. And even today in the London just right, that innate feeling in me was literally screaming sell, 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 sell. And I wasn't trying to listen to it because I was trying to look for logical explanations on why I should obviously sell or short. And like the more I started to realize that me trying to look for a logical explanation to explain something, sometimes I overthink and it starts to make no sense. Like literally today, like my mind was screaming sell, 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 sell. But instead of selling, I tried to go for the buy, and by trying to go for the buy, guess what my logical explanation was? Oh, there's an order block right here, reaching higher highs. Boom, I think I should enter the buy to break this new high, even though that innate gut instinct in me was telling me to sell, was telling me to sell. Well, literally each and every, even the losing trades, that innate instinct, I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's just me or if you guys experience something like that. But even with these other ones, this where I was shorting, there was an innate instinct in me telling me to buy. But the problem is with that instinct is I don't know when to sell or when to buy. But I'm starting to trust that instinct a little bit more due to the fact that the past 3 or 4 trades that have been no, the past 3 trades that have been successful is with me obviously following that instinct. I mean, it's truly amazing if you ask me. It truly is amazing what your instincts can do. And I also when watching documentary on other traders and stuff, they they always used to talk about instinct, this instinct that you gotta trust your instincts. And I was always looking at them like, what do you mean you gotta trust your instincts? I can't just look at something and be like, okay, we're getting ready to short, okay, we're getting ready to buy. But over, I guess, the months of doing this, I've really started to grasp the concept. It's not even a concept because it's just an instinct. I've really started to grab that instinct, that killer instinct, that market instinct. You get what I'm saying? And let's see if the instincts are actually cooking or if I'm just yapping my head off. Because at the end of the day, what matters is progress and results. No matter how much I yap my head off about instincts or whatever, the only thing that matters about the end of the day is the results. So for next week or this week, I'm gonna basically dumb every single trade down because I feel like I've been overcomplicating things. I look at this chart. I've been overcomplicating things. Obviously, I'm gonna leave some things in there because my instincts kind of read through these things and automatically. But anyways, so again, with these instincts, I'm going to test these instincts in the first place and see if these instincts are actually cooking. This is just a little like with the instincts of faith. It told me to sell, right? So what I did was I put the buy stop here and the sell stop below this low, right? So if it broke that high first, it was going to buy, but if it broke the low first, it was going to sell. So that was just like a double protection in case the instincts were wrong. But yet again, they never seemed to fail me. They were right. Then with this right here, what are the instincts screaming? They're low key screaming sell. So here is what I'm going to do to test these instincts again and see if these instincts are truly, something worth like focusing on. You feel me? So here it is. Oh, so nope, nope. We're locking in on these instincts, chat. We're locking in on these instincts. It's like right here. Just to see what these instincts are yapping about. Because guys, look, I feel like they're onto something. They're cooking something here. I'm not shooting there because of this mitigating order block. But they're actually cooking something. It's like I feel like there's actually probably. But anyways, besides that, let's head over to Top Step, see the results. Um, so I did make the loss back that I had because I was down like 100 something, and I made the loss back. There we go. W Smith shot, W Smith shot, W Smith shot. 6 trades, like 3 positions each. That's what we. Trading restrictions. What trading restrictions? So here it is. Win rate 100%. Win rate 100%. How many trades have I taken that are under 14? Yeah, see. So the 30-minute trades are honestly what are cooking the most right now. But we started the month green again. That's all what matters. We started a green again. We started a green. We ain't scared no more. So to see if these instincts are cooking, I've just set up a little. See, it's like already selling as we speak. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we're gonna be back with more. Also, unfortunately, I can't freaking stream on a Chromebook because I can't download OBS Studio. But if anybody knows like a workaround streaming on a Chromebook, y'all let your boy know.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy OverrideFX here, and today we are back again with another video, of course. February 3rd, first trade of the month. Let's go. So far it's pretty obvious we're having higher highs and higher lows, and obviously I'm expecting to enter a buy because of this bullish outbreak or break of structure that happened here. Market sentiment had seemed to be bearish due to Iran and whatever conflicts. Same thing with crypto. If you look at BTC prices, they also seem to have been dropping. Yo, let me just search BTC. Are you seeing this, chat? Bro, this one right here, literally like losing 5% a day is crazy work. I don't know about you, but that is crazy work. Crazy work. But anyways, back with this trade going on. As long as this major low right here hasn't been broken, we should be continuing in with the bullish market trend. Yeah, basically. I mean, what more really is there to say besides just don't break this low end? The bullish market trend should, continue. I mean, I could probably enter a 1-to-1 risk reward trade. I think that'll be the first trade of the month, just a soft launch. Yo, I think this is gonna be the first trade of the month, yo. First trade of the month. Yo, I don't know if the video posted, but literally the trade I didn't take was such a sell. I literally sold. Where is it? It was around here. Why isn't it showing? It's supposed to be saved onto the price chart. And literally, I entered short position around here, right? London session. I entered the short around there. Stop loss this high. Take profit within this OB. But look what happened. I told y'all I was gonna go to sleep, but I didn't sleep. Instead, what happened was I woke up. Bro, I could have woken up at any other moment of the day. Wow. I woke up, saw the pullback, and it looked strong. So I was like, let me close out. I close out. Like 2, 3, 4 minutes later, boom. Like, yo, ain't no way, chat. Ain't no way. Anyways, but right now we see price consolidating within this low right here. I mean, I'm not willing to take my chances, take my odds, and bet on if price will drop below that low or not. So
was really hard to have discipline because I was surrounded by a ton of women that didn't care about anything that I cared about.
They did a good job. You give credit for them. They did a good job with the sports and you guys will be able to remove one element that's been working against you last month as you turn the calendar. I think they did a good job. You give credit for them. They did a good job with the sports and you guys will be able to remove one element that's been working against you last month.
I know they're going to try to kick me off here, so just let me try to get this out. First of all, Jesus, I hear you and I'm listening, Lord. I am listening, Lord. Second of all, I want to thank my beautiful wife. I would have never changed my life without you. I'd have ended up dead or in jail. I'd have killed myself if it wasn't for you and Jesus. I thank you for that. I thank you for my label, Broken Bow. Country Radio, baby. What's up, dog?
J'arrive, ça regarde de travers, capuché parce que je suis trop cramé. J'avance avec équipe armée, je m'organise comme si je mourrais jamais. Mon amour joué, refais ça, réveiller le ciel.
You're not burning out from setting. You're bored to death by a role built for mediocrity.
Alright, so wait, Loki, should I go live on Tik or whatever? I think I'm gonna do that. Hold on. Well, chat, that went faster than usual. We officially got cooked. We officially got destroyed. We officially got cooked. Yeah, we got cooked, so currently down 120. Lots 48. And yeah, we're gonna be back again tomorrow with another video. Make sure you like and you subscribe. Yes, sir.